Hi dear, this is my second time here sa Tupud Flowing Water Resort and first time for Yona. Located din siya sa Upper Pakidni, Minglanilla, Cebu. Maoday nang sigigilingi ni Yona ang ilahang kiddie splash and playground. Maoday ni ang ilahang entrance rate. Naa sila'y 4 large swimming pool and kids-friendly kaayo ang area, especially naapay 24/7 lifeguard on duty. Lingaw kayo si Yona as you can see. Maoday ni ang pinakabarato nila nga cottage, ang square cottage and round cottage with 5 extra chair. Basta maligog pool, dili gud mawala ang sugba-sugba, so naasad sila'y grilling area. No food core cage, bisag naa sila'y canteen. You can rent lounging bed para mag-chill-chill. Naasad sila'y video kivut. Upon entry, makita nimo ni ilahang bird sanctuary. Visit their page for more info. Maura to, bye!
Hi, monkey!
Meow, monkey.
Monkey?
Meow.
Nagyaw-yaw ang monkey?